Fellow Rwandans, residents of the African Great Lakes region, today I'm going to reflect on the current or ongoing Congo conflict from its historical point of view. In my review, referring to Kagame's recent speech to the diplomatic corps in Kigali on the 16th of January 2025, Kagame was literally declaring war to the Congo. If you consider the posture and the wording in his speech. Kagame had previously declined to the mediation meeting in December of 2024, a meeting that was intended to reach an agreement with Tshisekedi, brokered by the Angolan president. This was all because Kagame had planned the war. And that's why he told the attendees of the meeting that he was not planning to yield. I know Kagame cannot afford to lose the mineral deals, and his intention or goal for the secession of the Kivus from the main DRC. We all know and understand that everything that is done in the eastern part of the DRC is on a big percentage Kagame made. The powerful nations, to include the United States of America, United Kingdom of France, Germany, Belgium, and the countries of the region, knows and understands Kagame's intentions. Kagame has always branded all the types of minerals planted from the Congo as minerals produced from Rwanda. Folks, there are no minerals that are found in Rwanda at all. But all the minerals are planted from the Congo and has been always exported to foreign countries, branded as minerals produced from Rwanda. This is the major reason why Kagame can never let go Congo. It's only when he is to be punished for wrongdoing that he will stop causing mayhem in the DRC. The M23 group facilitates Kagame to access the minerals that are nowadays on a high demand worldwide. I believe if Kagame stops plundering the Congo, or after his regime, there will be no single mineral exported from the country of Rwanda. We know, I know, the world knows that Kagame's mission is to divide Congo. Using the Tutsi people. Mark you, the Tutsi people's problems is very legitimate. Their claims are legitimate ones. But the way, the approach that Kagame has led them to go is a wrong one. It's what makes it a difference. So Kagame will continue to use these people's problems to keep plundering Congo because that is already made for this dictator who is in the neighborhood. Otherwise, their problem is a legitimate one. The United Nations, the United States of America, United Kingdom and Germany, and more other countries have always accused Kagame of waging a war of plundering minerals, ranging from coltan, gold, and so many other minerals that Rwanda exports on the international market, branding them as being produced from Rwanda. And guess what? All the resources, the profits that come out of these blood minerals benefit only Kagame family businesses. In his recent speeches, many of them, because Kagame had prepared for that war, Kagame retaliating to the blames of him being the perpetrator of the war in the DRC, the bully and defiant Lura has assured his accusers of not being ready to yield for even an inch. He claims his wars into the Congo are between life and death. How? He tells the Western governments or Western powers that Africans are not the same old idiots that the Westerners dealt with 50 years ago. What does this mean exactly? Who put Kagame to speak on behalf of other African leaders? This is where Kagame has been going wrong. He doesn't know which waters he's swimming. And Kagame added that he's not anywhere near to those idiots of the first 50 years. Kagame, the self-styled African leader, continued to blame all other African leaders of allegedly driving themselves into conflict situations. He blames that they should not be obeying to the orders. They should be rejecting the directives and the requests from the Western powers and not to allow them pray them around like idiots. This Lura, dictator of Rwanda, challenged his accusers to come to the Congo and find out why he is fighting there. He warned that, I quote, "I've been there," meaning he's been fighting wars all the time, claiming that he's a warmonger that he claims to be. Kagame claimed that he has paid the highest price of his life. Then he recited his genocide, as usual, vowing to never yield, meaning never to stop what he's intending to do with the Congo. This is catastrophic. Therefore, in brief, my review is based on the three major factors that continue to culminate, that continue to prolong and fuel the Congo conflict as follows. One factor is Congo's wealth, Congo's minerals. Many interested parties who are aimed at their interests are making this issue very complicated. They are after their interests rather than the interests of the Congolese people. They don't care about the humanitarian catastrophe that has been in Congo for the last 30 years. The second factor is the Kinyarwanda, Congolese Banyarwanda speakers issue, and more especially the Tutsi, people from the Tutsi ethnicity who have been sidelined, targeted, segregated for a very long time, for almost 60 and also years. The third major issue is the issue of the FDLR, the former government, Rwandan former government army, and the Interahamwe militia, who were defeated and run away to Congo, and they were aided by France, the current country, European country that is in bed with Kagame today. France aiding Congo of Mobutu and Mobutu to assist these people come back and take over the government, which they claimed was their legitimate. They should drive away the rebels back, the Tutsis. And these people have been headache, and they have been a very major player into this, being used by both Rwanda and the Congo for a long time to achieve their political gains. The issue of the interested parties in the Congo's wells is the most crucial one, because there are many players, there are private companies, there are regional governments, regional leaders, so to speak, and the international players. The mineral issue is a so complex one. That is the reason why Congo may never have peace in the near future. Many of the regional governments are working for the foreign interests in the Congo conflict, and they in turn get some favors from these foreign masters. Complicated, isn't it? Therefore, all the above-mentioned factors continue to make the DRC conflict a very complicated one to solve. Again, this is Major Michael Mupende. Thank you all for listening, and you all be blessed. Please stay tuned.